Today we are highlighting the Vantage Pontoon wrap and guard application. Average wear and tear like the sun and outdoor elements can fade and dirty up watercraft. Vantage treatments and products allow boat owners to spend more worry-free quality time with their families on the water rather than maintaining and cleaning the boat. Plus your boat will look great season to season. Vantage Resource Group works with 3M to develop and test their products with only the highest standards and come with an impressive 5-year warranty. This transforms a boat, giving it an impressive custom look and really makes it stand out. Aside from being a great aesthetic, it keeps the visible part of the floats from oxidizing like aluminum floats naturally do, and algae and water spots are easily cleaned or wiped off. Vantage also offers clear protective film that can be applied to floats instead of the wrap and guard combo if you would rather keep the aluminum look. Another great feature of the wrap, guard, and film is they can be replaced if extreme circumstances damage them or just from ordinary wear and tear over time. As you can see, this brushed black wrap is installed on the upper side of the outer floats. We do not have the guard installed on this pontoon, but you can see how the guard would look and is great for protecting floats from boat-to-boat tie-offs or dock rash resulting in dents and scratches. Make sure to also check out the amazing Vantage Diamond Ceramic Protection technology for protecting vinyl seats, cushions, and carpet from things like mold, mildew, bird waste, food and drink, even burns up to 1 inch in diameter, plus protection for painted or gel-coated surfaces like metal or fiberglass fishing and ski boats. Contact Mid-Kansas Marine for more information or to request pricing at 316-733-9889 or email us at sales@midkansasmarine.com.